welcome back to the screen of my phone. If you're new to this channel, please do what subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. So guys, we have our Telegram group where you can chat me or personally and ask me or discuss with me whatever business you have to discuss with me. So you can click on the link in the description box. It will usually be the first link or the link on our community tab. So in this video today, I'll be clicking my Chrome browser because I want to show you guys how you can make money doing little tax, like doing tax on social media, and you get paid into your Nigerian bank account. So I'll just be clicking the search button. Now, please, in case you're trying to use Chrome browser and you're finding it difficult to access a website or a link, you can click on this arrow up here, this red arrow or three button, anyone you're able to see, and then click on desktop site. This desktop site will turn your system or your phone to something like a system, you understand, or a laptop. So the name of the website is HAWKIT. 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 HAWKIT.ng. So here it says get paid for posting advert daily on your social media. You get it has over 200,000 members, and it has over 50,000 plus advertisers. I mean, on this website, aside the fact that you can get paid to do some social media runnings and all those things, you can also advertise on their website, and it says you can also pay for the adverts. You understand? You can use your earnings from liking a post or subscribing to a channel on this website to pay for your adverts. And it has 10 million, over 10 million advert views, and over 300,000 plus app downloads. Now, if this website isn't working, it will definitely not have over 300,000 plus download app. You understand? So it says get paid to post your advert on their social media. Get paid for posting adverts on your social media. So depending on how you can work on this website, you'll be making so much money. Not extremely too much like that, but you'll be making an earning, like you'll be making an earning at the end of the month, and you get paid to your bank account, your Nigerian bank account. You get. Now there is a plus on this. The plus is that you have to pay for the lifetime membership, which is just 1,000 naira, which is not much considering how much you'll be making on this website. So this is basically for advertisers, and this and also for earners or workers too. So if you're signing up on this website, just have it at the back of your mind that you're going to be sparing a penny, to create the account. But for each post that you post, you'll be earning 100 naira. You get. And they have over hundreds of available jobs on this website. So imagine you're able to either subscribe to a channel or like a post, like 10 of them, you've earned your 1,000 naira back. So what we're just going to click here is to click create account, create free account. So you input your name and you input your referral username. Now my referral username is Kemi01. I will drop my link in the description box on the Telegram channel, so it will be easier for you to just sign up. Just click on the referral link and sign up. You understand? Just click on the referral link and sign up. I already have an account, but just for the purpose of this video, I'll be signing up so that you guys can see. So after you click on it, now it says click on enter your username. So you input your username, any username that you want to input, any of your names you can input it. Then you enter your email, and then you create a password. Your password must be six characters, which means it must be from number one to like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like up to 6, you understand, like up to 6 numbers or words or letters. Then you hit on the create account. So once you create account, I'll be showing you the things that will be in your account and how you can activate your account by paying their member fee little charge of 1000 naira. So let's go. Yeah, so you click on, you try to add your money here. I'm paying 1000 naira. Ah, what is this thing typing by? 1000 naira. Oh no, no, kuku mapa owó ẹ̀ jáde. It says fund wallet. So you allow it to load. You're supposed to click on the pay membership, but on my own end, the network is a bit somehow, so it's not coming up. So I just clicked on the fund wallet directly. So all I will need to do now is to input my details. I will fund my wallet, and then I will now pay for my membership from that wallet. So guys, I don't want to show you my card number, so let me just fill it in and I'll click on the pay 1000 naira now. This is how you can pay. You can use any medium that you like to pay. You understand? You can use pay with card, pay with GSB, pay with bank transfer, pay with barter, pay with pay attitude, pay with paga. So anyone that you know that you want to use to pay, you can use to pay. So guys, this is it. After the payment, you have to verify your phone number. Now the reason why they are doing this is so that you know that the site is legit and they pay you directly to your bank account, so you get notifications whenever you make a withdrawal from their platform. So I will have to input my phone number here, and then I will update the phone number, which is I'll put the phone number in their system. So after you input your details, you understand, it will say congratulations, you're now a new member. So you click either to perform tax and earn money, or to refer and earn big. So it is both of them that you can work with. So I'll be dropping a link to this website on our Telegram channel. Please do well to check it. And if you want to access or message me, my link is also on the Telegram channel where you can message me directly. Please, if you're messaging me, please just do what? Go straight to the point. So as you can see, let's click on N. It says get started. So these are the available jobs here that you can click on and start earning. You can select any one. For Twitter, you have to create a Twitter account to post here. For post Facebook, you have to create a Facebook account. For Instagram, you have to create an Instagram account. Now, all this will pay you to perform a tax, 100 naira each tax, except for WhatsApp. WhatsApp will pay you 50 naira. So imagine you can do as much as you can. As you can see, the available tax are 118. So any available task that you can do from now till night, if you can finish the entire 118, finish it. Tomorrow you still see another tax. So that's that for HAWKIT. And at the same time, you can do what? You can post an advert on their platform as well. A business or something, you can post it on their platform as well. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. As you can see, these are available businesses people have posted on their platform. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.